In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Xero. Integrating these two platforms can streamline your workflow, ensuring that your sales, accounting, and customer service teams are all on the same page. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your business more effectively by syncing essential data between Hubspot and Xero. Let's get started by navigating to your Hubspot account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings. Go ahead and click on it to enter the settings menu. This is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments to connect with Xero. Once in settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll spot the integrations option. Clicking on this will expand a submenu, and from there, you'll want to select connected apps. This section houses all of the applications currently linked to your HubSpot account, and this is where we're going to add Xero. Now, to add Xero, we'll need to visit the HubSpot app marketplace. You'll notice a button labeled Visit App Marketplace. Click this button, and it will lead you to a new screen with a wide array of apps that can be integrated with HubSpot. In the search bar within the app marketplace, type in Xero. This will bring up the Xero app that's specifically designed to connect with HubSpot. After locating the Xero app, you'll see an option to Connect App. Click this to start the linking process. At this juncture, you'll be prompted to log into your Xero account. It's important to ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you enter your Xero login information, you'll need to authorize the connection, granting HubSpot permission to access your Xero data. This step is crucial as it ensures that the sync between the two systems will function correctly. And there you have it. HubSpot is now successfully integrated with Xero. By completing this integration, you've bridged the gap between your sales and accounting teams, allowing for more efficient data flow and helping eliminate redundant data entry. Integrating HubSpot with Xero enhances your ability to maintain accurate, up-to-date financial information directly within your HubSpot environment. Additionally, it minimizes the risk of errors and ensures that everyone across your business has access to the same information in real time. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.